Hi guys, let us continue the previous problem with complete diagram as what part by part I have made a video. So just go through this previous and continue with this so that it will cover up a full problem with different typical sections and all. Just have a look this as what I discussed previous class regarding two incoming lines, that is 110 kV, that is connected to 110 kV bus bar. So from this 110 kV bus bar, step down transformer, from this step down transformer 11 kV bus bar you are getting, and 5 outgoing lines along with auxiliary transformers, right? Okay, and I told I'll show you how to provide PT. Just to have same thing, just I copy pasted over here, and two ways are there how to draw PT. One way through windings and one way how to draw this PT symbol. So what you have to do here, just draw a circle over here, copy this and paste. It is paste exactly like this. Okay, don't make it center, this much you paste. So what you have to do here, take a circle and draw a line over here. Now you have to trim this. Now what you have to do here, now you have to trim this section, right? Okay, just delete this. So now what you have to do here, just go for mirror command. Just select this, right click, first point, second point, enter. Okay, this is far distance, so what you have to do here, just click it and move, right? Okay, so now take a move command, just click here and move it and paste over here. Is it okay? This is PT. So now same thing you can copy paste below also. Just copy this and take this point and paste over here. Okay, we have provided PT for both the bus bars, right? And another way also is there how to draw PT. Just I'll show you, afterwards I'll delete. So another way, whichever you feel easy, that one you can adopt. Instead of this device, so what you can make here, another, in that commands previous video I have shown that one symbol how to draw. So here you can look this. So you have to draw a circle and take another circle, a small circle has to be drawn this much. Okay, this is another way of PT, either this or this, whichever you can refer. Getting? So only one you have to draw. Okay, so now in this diagram, still bus coupler I have not provided. So now what you have to do here, in the same thing, just I copy pasted over here, and then this isolator I have redrawn. This isolator, whatever isolator is there, this is what earth switch, right? This is what earth switch, just I copy pasted actually. Here it's deleted, so just I copy paste over here. Okay, so what I have done, same this isolator, same this earthing arrestor, just I copy pasted over here. I copied and I drawn circuit breaker, another same thing I'll copy paste. I'll copy this. Okay, I'll copy this, same thing. So what you have to do, F8 you make it off. So just I'll paste over here. Okay, just I'll paste over here. Just I'll join this bus coupler it is. So one, it is connected to one bus bar, another connected to another bus bar. So now what you have to do here, take a circle, draw a circle, just you have to trim it because it is connected to another bus bar. So what you have to do here, if you want to trim full section, whatever part, so better select full diagram, zoom it and trim this. Getting what I'm telling? Yes. Okay, so this is called what? Bus coupler. And you can provide below also. What you can do here, copy this bus coupler below also for 11 kV double bus bar, or you can call duplicate bus bar, just copy paste. Okay, getting? So this is bus coupler. Think that same problem if they ask like 110 kV and 11 kV sectionalized, okay, and total 4 incoming lines. So 4 instead of 2 here, 4 are there, but another section is sectionalized. So what you have to do here, just have a look this diagram. So what you have to do here, so sectionalized bus bar you have to provide, sectionalized. I'll show here, just wait. So what is the meaning of sectional? This is C, this is sectionalized. Okay, so this is sectionalized. So what you have to do here, so sections has to be done. Okay, along with sections I'll show you how to draw 3 winding transformer also. Getting 3 winding transformer. So both I'll draw in one problem itself. Okay, so that will be clear for you. Okay, so now sectionalized. So what I'll do here, just I'll copy this. Okay, just I'll copy this and paste over here. Just I'll paste over here. Just I'll paste it. So what I'll do here, just I'll join this line. Okay, F8 you can make it on. Just join here. Right. So you can just, okay. So now what you have to do? So now same thing you copy paste below. Same thing you copy paste below. Same thing you copy paste below. Yes. Here also you can copy paste. And what you can do here? Just I'll move this section so it should not coincide both diagram. Same diagram only it is. Okay. Okay. So now what I'll do here? Just I'll copy paste. I'll copy this. The same section I'll copy and paste below. Okay. So both are think that both are sectionalized. So what I'll do here? I'll copy paste here also. Okay. Okay. So now what I'll do here? Now I'll extend this and I will draw a line. I'll draw a line. Okay. So what I'll do here? So now I'll copy this section. So just I'll move this because okay, better what I'll do, I'll move this. Okay, little bit the same distance I'll maintain. Just I'll extend this. I'll take extend command. Okay, I'll select these four. Just I'll extend this up to that line. So what I'll do, I'll draw a line over here. I'll draw a line over here, and I'll extend this. I select this and this. I'll extend this. Click here and click this. Okay, no problem. Okay, just delete this. Extend command I have used. Okay, so now what I'll do here? This is sectionized, no? So now copy this section, whatever you have drawn. Okay, is it? Copy this, and now what you can do here? Just this point you take. Once again, I'll copy this better. Okay, already I copied, and I'll take this point. Okay, and you can paste it over here. I'll do once again. Okay, so what I'll do here, because these will coincide, so better what you have to do here, just move all these things. Right. Okay, just move it. Just move this. Okay, once again I'll move this. F8, I'll make it off. So paste over here. Okay, I'll move this also because it should not go inside. Yes. So once again I'll copy this systematically. We check it, because it should not go inside. This point you take. Okay, and which point I have taken? This point. Okay, and exactly I paste over here. Okay, once again I'll go back. See, while pasting you have to be careful, right? While pasting any diagram you have to be carefully you have to draw. Just I'll go back. Okay, so what I'll do here, just exactly you have to copy paste it. Copy this and paste. While pasting you have to be careful. Copy this section up to here. Okay, copy this and take this point. We'll check it whether is it will join. F8 to make it on. F8 to make it on. Okay. So now just join a line. Just join this line. So thickness of the line you have to increase. So what I have to do here, the thickness of the line you have to increase. Right? Getting what I'm telling? Okay. The thickness of the line you can increase. So how to increase the thickness of the line? So take a line command better. So polyline command you take, and then from this line W enter. I'll check how much I have used. 0.0, I think 0.08, I think so. enter, and also 0.08. Yes, I'll check it. Okay, yes, correct, exactly I got. Okay, now copy this, paste below, and here also you paste below, here also you paste below. Okay, getting? So this is called sectionalized. Getting what I'm telling? This is called sectionalized. Okay, got it? This is previous problem. If they ask sectionalized, just copy paste. Okay, sectionalized. So this much big they won't ask, but simple they'll prefer. And along with this, if they ask 3 winding transformer, how to provide 3 winding transformer, think that here the 110 kV bar 11 kV 3 winding transformer is there. So what you have to do here, just copy this section. Okay, 3 winding transformer, think that 110 kV bar 110 kV bar 66 bar 33 kV, like that 3 step, 110 kV bar 33 bar 110 kV bar 66 bar 33 kV. So 3 winding transformers will be there. So what you have to do, just do mirror of this, take this, otherwise you can copy this and paste below. Just copy this and paste below. Okay, so now this winding you can reduce if you want. Okay, 3 steps were there. So one with one side. Okay, this is with above. Okay, and this is with below. Okay, so this will be okay. So now what I'll do here, now I'll draw a line, I'll extend this, and I'll join this. Select this, right click, extend. In one problem just I'm explaining. Okay, so now what I'll do, because this is double bus bar, just copy this section, paste over here. Okay, so now what I'll do here, now I'll copy this whatever I have drawn, not copy, just I'll do scale command. Okay, I'll reduce this size. Okay, I'll reduce this size, I'll write 0.5. Okay, it will reduce the size. Okay, so now what I'll do here, here isolator, circuit breaker also you have to use here. Copy this, copy this section. Okay, this point you have to take, and F8 to make it off, just paste over here. Okay, so now I'll move this 3 winding transformer over here. Just I'll copy this and paste over here. Okay, this is 3 winding transformer. Okay, so this is 3 winding transformer, and the same thing below also you have to copy paste. Okay, just copy this isolator, circuit breaker isolator. Here from here I'll take, actually below also an isolator you have to provide, it's missed here. Okay, you can provide isolator also. So isolator, circuit breaker isolator you can provide, no problem. Okay, so just join over here. Getting? So F8 to make it on and join it. Before joining, provide isolator. Isolator is missed here. You can do it, practice it. Okay, so now what it is, this is called what it is. Here I have taken an example. Just delete this, just delete this line. Okay, so this is what, 33. What is this? 110 kV. This is 66 kV and 33 kV. So like that 3 step down you can make. This is 3 winding. Just I have taken an example. 3 winding transformer, and this is sectionalized bus bar, double bus bar, duplicate bus bar. So like that you just practice it, you will get it right. Okay, this is the problem. Providing all lightning arresters, all those isolating devices, auxiliary transformers, PT, CT, 3 winding transformers. Getting? Okay, so analyze the commands first, read the problem carefully, and draw rough sketch, and same thing you draw in AutoCAD using commands. Okay, thank you.